My name is Kinjal Shade. I work for Ulta Beauty. I'm the lead analyst at Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty is the largest retail beauty store in North America. This is one of the one-stop shop for all the beauty products of all age groups. Ulta Beauty dealing with, we have employees all over the place and we have customers. Anything bridged out of our database is something which, of course, nobody would like to experience. With the retail, it comes, of course, as we know, credit cards, the membership, loyal membership. So those are the key factors. We want to protect our identity. We want to protect our customer. That's how we build our relationship. So at retail and specifically at Ulta, customers are the heart of our organization. And protecting their identity, protecting their sensitive data is one of our key business. We want to safeguard our customer, our employees' identities, their sensitive data at the organization. The one identity solutions that's used at Ulta is Identity Manager. That's a primary product. Then we use Password Manager, we use Defender, we use Starling Connect along with it. There were a couple of challenges that we were facing, that our old tool was heavily customized. That was one of the things which made our life difficult, in a lot of terms, which is integrations, maintaining user data, just simple activity like provisioning, deprovisioning was like a nightmare to us. And maintaining so many identities at a given point in time was a risk, was like, bringing down the system frequently, and too much to deal with it. With One Identity Manager, our performance, our automation drastically improved. This is where I can start with. The provisioning of identities, the deprovisioning of access, and onboarding new hires, rolling off, and especially company like retail, we have a lot of turnovers. So managing access, deprovisioning access, being compliant with the auditors, that's another aspect of the identity management, made it very simple with One Identity. With One Identity, we definitely saw significant benefits from the ticketing perspective, the access issues, onboarding issues. One Identity did not only improve the ticketings, the tickets or the issues that we were receiving with the user access, but at the same time made it possible for us to be up in the market. We have, as a beauty company, we are growing so much. We have every other tool coming in, and every now and then we have a project with a new integration, new requirements, and One Identity is so robust, I would say that way, that it quickly connects, meets our requirements, and we don't have to wait for days and months to get a connection done or sending identities to a specific application or a platform. So it is easier, automated, and much faster performance-wise. We are a heavy SAP ERP system. We are having huge connections, systems that runs on SAP. So as we were selecting different tools, when we started our journey of picking our identity management tool, we had multiple options. We explored around with multiple vendors. We looked at different products, and the reason One Identity stood out for us was, one, it was not asking for too much of developments, too much of customization. There were a lot of out-of-the-box functionality right available there, and that met all our requirements. So we wanted a tool which can quickly adapt to the new environments and not require a lot of customization. The another aspect of One Identity is the Starling Connect. We are utilizing the Starling Connect, which provides an add-on benefit, because now everyone is moving to cloud. So we have a lot of cloud connections, and One Identity provides that flexibility to build that connection for us without any charge and help us connect with those new connectors. So that's definitely an advantage. Any cloud-based connector that is not fully SCIM compliant or not fully available out there with the APIs, then Starling can be a connect between the two, a kind of a bridge between the two systems, and help you run your way through with the connection.